Welcome to the Emporium Outdoors. My name is Michael, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this log splitter. So I picked up this log splitter a few days ago from Princessauto. It was on sale. It was an amazing price. I think I paid 233 Canadian dollars, which is pretty good for a 5-ton log splitter. So the unit does come with a 3-year warranty, and as you can see, I haven't even unboxed it yet. So this model doesn't come with a stand, which is something I'm probably going to add because running these things on the ground is a real pain. But let's go ahead and unbox it and we can share the experience together. So today I'm going to use my Leatherman Signal. It's one of my favorite knives at the moment. I picked this up probably a few months ago now from Cabela's, and it's been working out pretty good. Okay, so I've got it out of the box. This thing is heavy. Okay, so front of unit, loose and bleed screw. Okay, so that's the quick start guide. So we just have to loosen off this bleed screw just to allow that vacuum to break. Loosen bleed screw. Okay, press and hold on button. On button's down here. Hold the piston lever, which is down here. So pretty straightforward. Glad to see the assembly is not terrible. It's just a couple of wheels to throw on. So let's do that real quick. So I really appreciate it doesn't take a lot of assembly to get this thing done, because there's nothing worse than having to assemble it once you get out of the box. Okay, I'm going to spin it around because the power's on this side, and now I've got the wheels on, should be a bit easier. Yeah. Okay. So on this side is a safety lever with a pin that you have to remove, and this is what you use to activate it. You have to press and hold the button for the motor to kick in. You see the lights just dip there, and then this will operate the ram. So let's do that. So we'll fire it up, we'll operate the ram, see how it goes, and you'll probably see the lights flicker because this is probably going to be drawing about 1500 watts, somewhere around there. So just to give you an idea of how far that ram will travel, it's about 14 inches. So in theory, probably the shortest log you could split is probably about 9 inches, 10 inches, somewhere around there. So we'll see. I do have some small logs with me that are already split. The weather is terrible today, it's snowing outside. I do have a tree to drop, it's an old spruce tree. It's one of the reasons I bought this. I want to make that into nice firewood, but we'll give it a go with what I've got and we'll see whether it works or not. Okay, let's give her a go. Yeah, this one has a huge knot. That's why I chose this one, to see whether it would split it quite happily. Let's give her another go this way around. And before you say it, I'm going to put some safety glasses on because that's splintering out pretty good. Okay, got my safety spectacles on. See if we can demolish this piece. Yeah, look at the knot in that. It's pretty insane. Got another piece here as well. It's got a nice big knot in it. Lots of tree sap, pine sap on this. It's going to burn well. Normally when you don't have the knots, you only have to take them down the splitter a couple of inches and the whole thing will just rip apart. I wouldn't normally go smaller than this, but just for a demonstration. And we do have this short piece that will not split because it's too short. So let's see, we've got another piece we can put in there. See this? Yeah, well, that was pretty effortless. That's doing exactly what I want. Like I say, I need to check to see if there's a frame that goes under this. I've got it on this table right now, but there is nothing worse than scooping down to work on these things, lifting logs on and off. Prefer it up high, even if I am lifting up logs. I just think it's easier just to toss them off and then manipulate the log. So for $233 Canadian, I think this is going to work out perfectly well. Just have a nice handle here to carry it. It's got the wheels. The safety features are you have to have two hands, so you have to operate the motor on one side and operate the lever, so you can't be holding things and getting yourself into trouble. So it's an inconvenience, but I can see why they designed these things this way. I think for a small homeowner, this will be perfect. 3-year warranty, $233. How can you go wrong with that, to be honest? So when I do come to take that tree down in the next couple of weeks, once the snow is actually left, then I'll bring this thing out again and we can give it a proper run, give it some bigger logs. I believe the maximum log size is about 18 inches, but as usual, I'll put all the specs up on the screen there and you can take a look. So check out your local princessauto, see if these things are still on sale, because they're a fantastic option for you. And until next time, take care. And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, leave me a comment, maybe a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.